In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Cursor app usage limit. Whether you've reached the usage cap or just want to start fresh, resetting your usage is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Cursor AI website. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial as you'll need access to your user settings to proceed. Once logged in, go to the View section. This section is designed to give you a holistic view of your app usage and the associated settings. It serves as the perfect starting point for making changes to your app configurations. Next, you'll want to locate your user settings or the JSON configuration file within the app. This file holds the key to managing and resetting your usage limit. You might need to do a little searching to find it, but it's typically found within the app's Settings or Options menu. Once you've found the JSON file, open it and carefully delete all of the content inside the curly brackets. This step is crucial because by removing the existing configurations, you're effectively resetting the usage data stored within the application. Be cautious to remove only what's inside the brackets, avoiding alterations to other parts of the file that could impact the app's functionality. After making these changes, save the file and close the application to ensure your changes are applied correctly. With the app closed, you'll want to search for Cursor in your system's search bar. When you see the application in the search results, right-click on it and select the option to open the file location. Now navigate to the roaming folder. Once there, locate the Cursor folder and delete it. Likewise, check the local folder for any additional Cursor folders and delete them as well. These folders often contain cached data and previous configurations that need to be cleared to reset your usage limit thoroughly. Next, head over to your user folder and locate the .cursor directory. Inside, you'll find an extensions folder. Open it and delete all the contents within. This will ensure that any extensions or add-ons that might affect the app's reset are removed. Finally, reopen the Cursor application. With all the previous data and configurations cleared, it will start as if it was a fresh installation, allowing you to enjoy a reset usage limit. By following these steps, you've effectively reset your Cursor app usage limit and can now use the app with a clean slate. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to rewind and rewatch any part that might need clarification. Happy resetting!